Good evening, everyone. I know. It's like, oh my gosh, how does she look so good right now? It's a secret. I'm not gonna let you know. Just kidding. I just got out of the shower, and you know what? Sometimes I have content that needs to be done, that wants to be done, and Kendra just doesn't want to put on any makeup. And on the other circumstance, you'd say, okay, well, you don't want to put on any makeup, then why does your hair look like that? Just so you know, it's actually better to brush your hair once it's already dry if you have like a straight / kind of wavy-ish type of complexion to your hair. So here I am at my best, which is anytime. Doesn't matter when. Today we're doing an unboxing and a big reveal of Scentsy. So Scentsy is like a really cool fragrance company. They have candle warmers, they have wax melters, they have fresheners for your car, they have fresheners for your washer, bath and body soaks, and these are all in delectable flavors. They also have like these diffusers. That would be an amazing holiday gift. Actually, I'm thinking of getting, ooh, love these. Something like this for like my mom for Christmas. Oopsie if you're watching, Mom. But like these little things that take the oil from the bottom and kind of like project the scent out. What are these called? Just a fragrance flower. So many cute things. You can do like these for like a little kid's gift or something. Of course, I would check to make sure before you put it like in someone's nursery or something. But look how gorgeous that is. That's a wax melter. So happy to be working with them. And let's start the unboxing. So here we go. We've got this package that says Scentsy right there on the outside. I love that because right when I got it in the mail, I was like, oh, it's here. My Scentsy consultant, am I saying that right? Scentsy, yeah. My Scentsy consultant, her name is Danielle Steele. I'm gonna link her store below where you can purchase from her directly. She's so kind. Here she is. Here's Danielle. So her store is, oh, I'm sorry, her name is Denise Steele. So here's Denise. Her store is Denise Steele, STEELE.Scentsy.us. Of course, that is in the YouTube description box below. So cool. Okay, let's start unboxing. All right, here we are. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Ooh, love in a box. A touch of love in a box. Warm the heart, enliven the senses, inspire the soul. So true. So true. So it's neatly packed. Love that. You don't have to worry about stuff moving all around. Ooh. Okay, so here it is. This is how it looks. So gorgeous. Oh, I forgot to turn on the ring light. Okay, cool. So this is how it looks. Oh, yeah. That's the thing with ring lights is like they're so bright. Okay, great. So she sent me Almond Croissant. Oh. Okay. There we go. Almond Croissant. Oh my gosh, I can smell it through the packaging. Isn't that so nice? Love the butterfly. Made in Idaho. Oh, cool. So it's made in the US. That's always nice. This smells delicious. You know, and ordering, oh my gosh, ordering Christmas gifts from someone who has like their own small business or has like their own sect of stuff they sell is so beneficial. If you can tell behind me, if you see any of my guitars and stuff, I'm a musician. So when people reach out to me to buy albums to give as gifts, it makes a big difference in my day-to-day life. Just being able to like have people support me. Oh, I look really good tonight. So like if you're looking for some sort of scent warmer, I encourage you to purchase from someone like Denise, because this is, you know, this is like really great quality stuff, and then we're directly helping like a family. In fact, on her thank you card, there was a picture of her family and her kids are so cute. Oh my goodness, sugar cookie. I love the fact that I like have absolutely no regrets about doing this without makeup. That's cool. So this is Clove and Cinnamon. Yay! Oh my god, this is gonna be first. So this smells like Christmas. It's beginning to smell a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Oh, at this moment, I should tell you that I have a Christmas song coming out on December 4th. That's a Friday in about 2 weeks. It's titled More Like Christmas, and I went ahead and linked below where you can pre-save the song or follow me on social media so you get a notification when the song debuts. I love Clove and Cinnamon. Cinnamon is great for bringing in prosperity and wealth and wellness. Cinnamon has such a vibrant frequency of prosperity and good measure. It's great that it is a holiday herb because I feel like the holidays just like naturally have that kind of like built into them, you know, this feeling of like coming together and it's right before the new year and stuff. But cinnamon, I like the smell of cinnamon all year round. Okay. And why are you blushing? That is so cute. All right, so I got the wax warmer that is one that plugs in directly just straight into the wall. The Scentsy mission, to bring value to the world by providing an industry-leading, family-friendly business opportunity, selling creative, artistic, high-quality products that warm the heart, enliven the senses, inspire the soul. That's so groovy. Life can be hard sometimes, and we all need a little shade. Without shade, we can't appreciate our time in the sunshine. Wonderful. Okay, so got a little light bulb. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Okay, I might need to read the instructions on here, but let's check it out. So we got one of these like sealing discs, the part that plugs into the wall, and the wire basket. Look how gorgeous that is. All right, so in the sense of good measure, let's like kind of read the instructions. Although I am quite rebellious, let's check out the instructions. Okay. I read them. I get it. Turn warmer, here we go. Turn warmer on for 2 to 3 minutes to soften wax. Wax should not be fully liquefied. Make sure warmer is not too hot. Carefully remove the warmer from the outlet. Remove softened wax from the warmer dish. Oh, so that's like when you want to clean it and stuff. You get the wax like heated up, you know, after usage. It'll still be hot. Let it cool down for like a few seconds, but not till it's like fully solidified. And then that's when you'll like go to your trash can, get your paper towel, and clean out the basin of the wax melter. I really hope no one minds that I'm like not made up right now. Although I am wearing a matching outfit. My Jimi Hendrix t-shirt. Okay, so rad. All right. Let's see here. Okay. So what you're gonna do is it's got like these little like prong things in there, and you're gonna line them up with these prong things, and then you're gonna twist. Oh, wait. Okay, cool. And then it has like a little screwdriver element. Let me grab my screwdriver. I am unstoppable. Whose song was that I was listening to? Oh, I think that's my friend's. Oh, the producer I'm working with right now, music producer I'm working with in Nashville. Her name is Justine Blazer. She is so freaking awesome. We actually collaborated on the Christmas song that I have coming out soon. Her song is stuck in my head. 'Cause I am unstoppable. Is that her song? I was listening to some of her music last night. Okay, cool. So we just got that screwed in right there. I know it's shining from the light, but it was just this little easy screw right there. Yeah, there it is. So easy. So easy. All right, great. So we've got, oh, cool. Oh, I forgot to put the light part on. Ba, ba, ba. Back it up, backing up, backing up, backing up. If you're a SpongeBob fan, you know that. All right, so we flipped it into reverse and unscrewed it. Here is just a few things. Just an insider tip, when you're handling light bulbs, don't handle the actual glass part of the light bulb with your fingertips because there's oil on your fingertips and it will affect how long the light bulb actually lasts. So that's why I'm putting it on with this still on there. Okay. It is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Just wipe off any excess dust, boom. And so we've got this little seal thing. So it looks like it goes in between that little gap right there. Yep. It looks like that's right. So it just fits snugly right there. Snuggly buggly. Once again, why are you blushing? And we are off to the races. Here we are, boop. We're gonna go ahead and screw this on for good measure. Just in case it gets up and walks away in the middle of the night, I know that everything's at least screwed on tight. All right, fabulous. So we got this all set up. And I'm going to, that's where my ring light's plugged in. So we're actually gonna keep that plugged in. Although aesthetically I would have preferred not to have the ring light plugged in right there. Okay, it works. Look how cute that is. All right, let's add our holiday flavor. Clove and cinnamon. And once you get to this point, you can kind of just snap off one of these squares. Perfect, see that? Let's go with just one in the name of conservation and distance. We've got our square, just kidding. Place that right there, and then we let it begin. Did y'all see that? And that's how you set up your plug-in-the-wall Scentsy candle warmer. So excited about the holiday season. Thanks y'all so much for tuning in. Thanks for your acceptance of me the way I am. Much love. See you next time. Peace.